Are you tired of bulky blenders hogging your counter space or struggling to whip up a quick, healthy smoothie on busy mornings? Say hello to this Bella personal size rocket blender, a compact, powerful, and stylish kitchen companion that's here to revolutionize your culinary routine. This 12-piece, 240-watt marvel is designed for smoothie lovers, spice enthusiasts, and anyone craving convenience without compromising quality. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this portable blender is a must-have, diving into its features, benefits, and why it's trending as a kitchen essential. Ready to blend, sip, and savor? Let's dive in. Solving your kitchen woes with ease. Mornings can be chaotic, and prepping healthy meals often feels like a chore. The Bella Rocket Blender tackles common kitchen problems head-on. Time crunch, no more wrestling with complicated appliances. Its simple twist-and-blend design delivers smoothies, protein shakes, or ground spices in minutes. Cluttered countertops, bulky blenders and food processors can overwhelm small kitchens. This compact blender fits snugly in any space, keeping your counters sleek and organized. Cleanup hassles, forget scrubbing stubborn residue. The Bella's dishwasher-safe, BPA-free tumblers and blades make cleanup a breeze, so you can focus on enjoying your creations. Limited versatility, from smoothies to spice blends, this blender's dual blades handle a variety of tasks, eliminating the need for multiple gadgets. Whether you're blending a post-workout protein shake or grinding fresh coffee beans, this blender simplifies your routine while delivering delicious results. #HealthyLiving #TimeSaver. Why the Bella Rocket Blender stands out. The Bella Personal Size Rocket Blender isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With a sleek stainless steel finish and a robust 240-watt motor, it combines power, style, and convenience in a compact package. Here's why it's stealing the spotlight. Key features that shine. Powerful 240-watt motor, don't let its size fool you. This blender pulverizes fruits, greens, and spices with ease, delivering smooth textures every time. Dual stainless steel blades, includes a blending blade for smoothies and a grinding blade for spices, nuts, or coffee beans, offering unmatched versatility. 5 BPA-free tumblers, comes with 3 24 ounces and 2 12-ounce tumblers, perfect for on-the-go sipping or storing leftovers. No extra cups needed. Dishwasher-safe accessories, tumblers, blades, and lids are all top-rack dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and stress-free. Compact and stylish design, measuring just 12.25 inches tall and 4 inches wide, it's a space saver that adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. Multifunctional lids, includes shaker lids for spices, storage lids for freshness, and lip rings for comfortable sipping, catering to all your needs. Benefits that make a difference. Effortless healthy eating, whip up nutrient-packed smoothies or protein shakes in seconds, perfect for busy lifestyles or fitness enthusiasts. #FitLife. Versatile meal prep, from pureeing baby food to grinding spices, this blender handles diverse tasks, saving you time and money on extra appliances. Portable convenience, blend, cap, and go. The tumblers double as travel cups, ideal for commutes, gym sessions, or quick errands. Who's it perfect for? The Bella Rocket Blender is a dream come true for busy professionals, need a quick breakfast or post-workout shake. Blend and dash in minutes. Fitness enthusiasts, create protein-packed smoothies to fuel your workouts, with tumblers for on-the-go nutrition. Small space dwellers, compact and easy to store, it's ideal for apartments, dorms, or cozy kitchens. Home chefs, grind spices, chop nuts, or puree soups to elevate your culinary creations with fresh, vibrant flavors. Gift givers. Its sleek design and versatility make it a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or health-conscious friends. #Gift ideas. Real-world performance, does it deliver? Let's talk results. The Bella Rocket Blender's 240-watt motor may not rival high-end models like the NutriBullet Pro, but it's a powerhouse for its price point. In testing, it effortlessly blended soft fruits like bananas and berries into velvety smoothies in under 2 minutes. Leafy greens like spinach blended well with added liquid, though fibrous kale required a bit more blending time for a smoother texture. The grinding blade tackled coffee beans and spices like cumin with precision, producing fine powders that elevated homemade dishes. #foodie vibes. However, it's not without quirks. The single-speed setting with pulse function limits control, so you'll need to monitor blending time for optimal results. It's not ideal for crushing large ice cubes, opt for crushed ice instead. The plastic blade housing may wear with heavy use, but with proper care, avoiding overuse beyond 1 minute, it holds up well. At just 2.6 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move, but its 92.8 dB noise level means it's not the quietest option, best used when the house isn't asleep. Pros and cons: a balanced look. Pros: affordable price under $30, offering incredible value for a 12-piece set. Compact design saves space and adds style to your kitchen. Versatile dual blades handle blending and grinding tasks with ease. Dishwasher-safe, BPA-free accessories ensure safe and easy cleanup. Multiple tumblers and lids make it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Cons: 240-watt motor struggles with tough ingredients like frozen berries or whole ice cubes. Plastic blade housing may wear over time with frequent use. Single-speed setting limits blending precision. Louder than some competitors, which may disturb sensitive pets or sleeping family members. Why choose Bella over competitors? Compared to the Magic Bullet, 250 watts, or NutriBullet Pro, 900 watts, the Bella Rocket Blender strikes a sweet spot for budget-conscious buyers. While it lacks the raw power of pricier models, its accessory-packed 12-piece set, including a unique grinding blade and extra tumblers, offers more versatility than the Magic Bullet at a similar price. The NutriBullet excels with tougher ingredients, but for casual smoothie makers or spice grinders, the Bella delivers comparable results at a fraction of the cost. #budget-friendly. User feedback: what are people saying? Online reviews praise the Bella Rocket Blender for its affordability and convenience. Users love the tumblers for grab-and-go smoothies and the grinding blade for fresh spice blends. Some note the motor's limitations with harder ingredients, recommending soft fruits and crushed ice for best results. Durability concerns arise with heavy use, but the 1-year warranty offers peace of mind. Overall, it's a fan favorite for singles, students, and small households. #customer love. Tips for getting the most out of your Bella Rocket Blender. Add liquid. For smoothies, include enough liquid, water, milk, or juice, to ensure smooth blending, especially with fibrous greens. Use crushed ice. Avoid whole ice cubes to prevent motor strain and achieve better consistency. Pulse strategically. Use short bursts for tougher ingredients to avoid overheating. Clean immediately. Rinse tumblers and blades right after use to simplify cleanup. Store smart. Keep the compact base and tumblers in a cabinet to maintain a clutter-free counter. Final verdict: is the Bella Rocket Blender worth it? The Bella Personal Size Rocket Blender is a game-changer for anyone seeking an affordable, versatile, and stylish solution for smoothies, shakes, and spice grinding. Its 240-watt motor, dual blades, and 5 tumblers make it a powerhouse for small kitchens, busy lifestyles, or health-conscious eaters. While it's not suited for heavy-duty tasks like crushing large ice cubes or blending tough nuts, it excels at everyday tasks with unmatched convenience. At under $30, it's a steal for the value and accessories included. Ready to elevate your kitchen game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this culinary gem yours. #kitchenmustHave #blended-up. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.